Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I recently bought myself this XL cordless leaf blower. So in today's video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and review of this tool. So here is the XL cordless blower, skin only 18 volt. I bought this recently from Tools for Trade website. It says that it's lightweight, easy to operate, cordless blower with soft grip handle and 2 levels airspeed adjustment. So it has like a standard mode and a turbo mode. So let's see what comes in the box. Here is the main leaf blower or blower itself. Then there's like the rest of the tubing that goes on the end. There's also a shoulder strap. And the instruction manual. So now I'm just going to assemble it. So the piece at the end here goes on, and there's like a button here that clicks it into place. And that's on now. So that is now assembled. It tells you here on the label that the operating volume is 94 decibels. It tells you to wear ear defenders and goggles, to read the instructions, that sort of thing, and don't use it in the rain. First impression, feels nice and lightweight. The trigger switch feels good. There's the on and off, and then you've got the turbo button here. It has a rubberized grip, nice, solid, well made tool. So this will work with the 2 amp hour battery or the 5 amp hour battery. I'll just put the 2 amp hour in. Clicks in nice and firmly at the back there. Let's listen to it for the first time. Now with the turbo mode. Feels quite powerful, quite excited to give this a go on the leaves. It's autumn here in the UK, so it's a good time to test this out. If you put it down on a flat surface, it sits nice and flat, and then on the underside it's got this really handy hole here for you to hook it onto, like a screw or a nail, to store it in a shed or a garage. So now on to the testing. As you can see, the machine has 2 power modes, the general mode and a turbo mode. I tested it out removing some sawdust from some slabs, and this worked well, and also cleaning my table saw after use. It's far quicker and easier than using an old brush. I also used it to clean out this filter, a workshop vacuum filter, and it did a good job of that too. Now on to the leaves. As I say, this is the first time I've owned a leaf blower, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I just wanted to give you a general idea of what this can do, the sort of power it's got. It was still wet, the grass wasn't bone dry, so it struggled a bit, and the grass is quite long as well. It struggled a bit to get all of the leaves out of the grass, but for the majority of the leaves it picked them up no problem. And I just want to work them into a corner so that I can then later on clean them up. If you have any leaf blowing tips for me, please feel free to share them in the comments section of the video. It's great for these awkward spots. I've got some sort of like gravelly area here and it's quite narrow, and this just helps to get all those leaves out of that area. Okay, so that is about it for this video. So my first impressions on this leaf blower, bearing in mind that it is the first leaf blower that I've ever owned. It feels good to me, it feels decent quality, relatively well made. It does what it says on the tin. It's got ample power for what I need. I wanted it for helping me to tidy up the garden and get leaves sort of into an area so that I could clear them, and also I wanted it to clean sawdust off of tools outdoors, give the tools a blast and clean them up before taking them in, and also possibly cleaning out some guttering as well by just blasting all the leaves out. So for those purposes I think it works well. Battery life seems fine. You can use the 2 amp hour and the 5 amp hour batteries. It's got a nice convenient hook on it at the back here, so you can hook it up and store it nice and conveniently. As you can see, it's pretty lightweight, I would say, comfortable to use, so it's as I expected. I don't really have anything negative to say about it. So if you're looking to buy a leaf blower, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.